We are now 5 days after Tisha B'Av, and we must ask ourselves the question, what did we lose, and how do we rebuild it? The answer, as a topic of our shir, is by rebuilding ourselves. Now, by inference, let's use some Talmudic language. If the answer of what we lost is rebuilding ourselves, that means that the inference is that we lost ourselves. But the problem is, I thought that we lost the Beis Hamikdash. How can you reconcile the idea that we have to refine ourselves, rediscover ourselves as an antidote to Tisha B'Av, when what we're really mourning is a loss of the Beis Hamikdash? How does ourselves jive and dovetail with the loss of the Beis Hamikdash? The answer is that losing the Beis Hamikdash means losing ourselves. How so? I want to play for you a song which you all know. We sing, but perhaps we're not so sure as to what the meaning of the song is. And the song goes like this, and it is a remix by our good friend Benny Friedman, and it goes like this. Yilvavi Mishkan Ebnat.